They say sit next to the window. Now I have shadow tattoos. I'm not gonna lie to you. My chest was doing paces when I filmed this ages ago, which is why I left it sitting in my gallery. It is scary bafowethu. I almost deleted the whole file and blame Eskom. All of my knowledge comes from the University of Social Media. I left this video hidden in my phone for months because I was so embarrassed. But today you are seeing the raw, unedited mess of me trying to section the front of my head. I had absolutely no idea where to place my hands or how to use this comb. Eish, and the mirror brain was already fighting me. Look at my hands glitching. I was trying to move left, but my hand was heading towards Durban. It felt like trying to write the matric exams with a crayon while sitting on a moving taxi. How? Look at that. I went completely off the tracks. Just messy lines and zero finger control. My part looks like the map of Kruger National Park. See, this is exactly why I didn't want to show this video back then. I thought the hair police were going to lock me up. Messy. We are learning.